Today we are using Onshape to assemble our product. At this point we've made several parts and now we have to put them together and connect them to each other in a way that we want. And this is helpful in case we're going to 3D print something and we want to just see that everything fits okay and aligns the way that it should. So let's get started. So you're going to press the plus sign, insert new element, and here you can make several part files in this same exact file, which is helpful, or you can make assemblies or drawings. We're going to make an assembly today. Now that we made an assembly, there's nothing. And that's okay. What we're going to do is insert some of the parts that we made. So I click insert and here, oh, thank you. Don't mind if I do. And if I check, I should need 2 of these. So I just click make 2. And just to confirm that, I've got my document up. I'm looking. There's going to be 2 screws going into this. So now I got to find my other ones. Now, if you kind of hastily made these as separate files like me, you are not alone. Go to other documents, and here we're going to go created by me. Base plate, 7 changes. All right. Create. I'm not reading this. That's fine. Boom. Give me that base plate. All right. Other documents created by me. Collar. Create a version. Create. Okay. And now I'm just dropping all the different parts that I need. So now, last thing, I need the bearing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we have got all of our parts here. Now, a quick tool that you can use if you select something. You see these squares? These squares are called transform tools. And no, they're not going to change the shape of your object. They're just going to move it around. I don't really fully understand why they call it transform, but that's what it is. And so when I say transform, I don't mean change your object. Now, for today, what I want you to do is create the last piece which I'm adding to this document. There is a block at the bottom of this piece that we need to add. And then what I want you to do is create an assembly file with all the parts in it. Good luck.